This is Julie Fed Judy homework 5B, number 3, exercise number 3. So to start, I include the library and liquid crystal, and I declare the liquid crystal here, and I also declare the pins of the rotary encoder, and this is for the pin, the LEDs, and I declare clockwise and counterclockwise as array, and the counter set to 0, and this is the state, the previous state and the current state, and I go down there, and this is the void setup section. I initialize the LCD, backlight it, and the pin mode, I set up the encoder as input, the 2 pin, and the 12 CLs, the LEDs as output. And not only the numbers are going to be displayed on the serial monitor, but the only thing I want is to clockwise and counterclockwise to display on the 12C LCD. So I come here and I set it. This is where I want the clockwise and counterclockwise to. This is the clockwise I want to display in this row column 4, row 0, clockwise. And then here I had to put a little delay, and I set the counterclockwise here. So let's see how it goes. We are going to upload it. Bang. See if it worked. Okay, it worked. Okay. This is clockwise. Clockwise, and then counterclockwise. Clockwise. It stays clockwise, but I put a little delay when I turn it counterclockwise. It's gonna disappear. Okay.